Hello and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today we're analyzing Litecoin, or LTCUSD, and focusing on its recent price action. Recent news regarding Litecoin has been mixed, with some sources highlighting its undervaluation compared to Bitcoin's recent surge, and others expressing caution due to the upcoming halving event. The Reddit community shows some investors believe that Litecoin is incredibly undervalued in this bull run. Looking at the daily chart, we can observe a period of consolidation following a significant price drop in August. There is clear support around the $60 level, and a period of higher volume around $70 indicates potential resistance. The overall trend seems bullish, at least in the short term. The price action of Litecoin in the last few months indicates periods of significant bullish sentiment as well as instances where prices dropped more than 10% over one day. If we observe that the price continues to move above the $80 level, this is a very bullish signal that can imply that LTCUSD will continue to go up in the following days. Now let's zoom in on the 1-hour chart to gain a more granular perspective. Here, we can pinpoint more precise support and resistance levels. Notice the increased volatility between $100 and $120. This demonstrates increased investor trading activity in this range. The hourly chart shows that the price action is heavily influenced by recent news, such as increased trading volume after the announcement of the halving event and a potential Litecoin ETF. The short-term trend on the hourly chart appears to be a bit more volatile than the daily charts. Short-term, the hourly chart shows several instances where the price dropped suddenly, only to bounce back several hours later. This can indicate a generally bullish short-term sentiment. However, some caution is needed due to its frequent sudden drops. To further refine our analysis, let's switch to the 15-minute chart. This time frame highlights the intraday fluctuations and helps us identify immediate support and resistance zones. We can observe some brief periods of increased volatility suggesting quick changes in market sentiment. Short-term, the 15-minute chart shows heavy trading volume in the range of $100 to $120, which can indicate support and resistance in this price range. The overall price action is showing bullish sentiment. However, several short-term price declines are visible. Let's look at the price action around the December 9th drop. We see a significant sell-off, likely triggered by the negative news from a prominent crypto exchange. This caused the price of Litecoin to fall from $120 to under $110 in a single hour. However, observe the swift recovery, showing the strength of buying pressure in this market. The sharp recovery after the significant drop indicates that the market is primarily bullish at the current moment. However, there is some potential for bear sentiment to re-emerge if any unexpected negative news is published. In summary, LTCUSD shows a generally bullish long-term trend, despite some periods of heavy volatility and price declines, which are likely triggered by unexpected market news. Key support levels to watch are around $60, $70, and $80 from the daily chart, while the hourly and 15-minute charts highlight the $100 and $120 range for short-term trading decisions. Resistance levels are visible around $70 on the daily chart, while the hourly and 15-minute charts show resistance levels around $120. The likelihood of LTCUSD breaking above the $120 level in the short term is moderate, contingent upon positive news and continued buying pressure. Conversely, further negative news could easily reinforce bear sentiment. Important things to watch out for are any unexpected major news publications, as the price of Litecoin has been shown to be sensitive to these events. Additionally, the upcoming Litecoin halving event could induce a significant impact on Litecoin's market performance. Monitor volume and price action for confirmation of trends and potential reversals.